In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an Afterpay payment link to your website or share it with customers. This makes it easy for buyers to use Afterpay even if you don't have a full store setup. Afterpay doesn't have a direct payment link feature like some payment services, but you can create payment options using platforms that support Afterpay or share product links that allow Afterpay at checkout. If you're using an e-commerce platform like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce, Afterpay will appear as a payment option at checkout once it's enabled. To share a direct link that encourages customers to use Afterpay, you can create special landing pages or product pages mentioning Afterpay payment options. Alternatively, if you want to send a payment link for a specific amount, use payment processors like Stripe or PayPal that integrate with Afterpay. Create a payment request or checkout link and make sure Afterpay is enabled as a payment method. You can then share this link via email, social media, or messaging apps. That's how you add or share an Afterpay payment link. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more easy payment tips. Thanks for watching.